Hello, it's Jenny from Boosting Your Professional Skills. And today I'm going to talk about something that will be kind of a superpower as you're thinking about managing trade-offs and making decisions around projects as you're executing your project. And that superpower is related to a matrix. Now, it's not the matrix as in the movie with the red pill and the blue pill. Nope. This is the flexibility matrix. And what is that? Well, that has to do with the triple constraint of project management. So you know that scope and schedule and resources cannot all be optimized at the same time. There's some give and take. There's trade-offs that you have to make. And the flexibility matrix is a way of organizing your constraints so that you and your team, your sponsor, your stakeholders all have a shared understanding of what's the most flexible and what's the least flexible when you're trying to make these trade-offs. So let me give an example. I worked for a software company that produced tax software. And for most of our projects, when we would lay out what was flexible, most, moderately flexible, and least flexible, it was schedule that was least flexible. If a problem came up, the last thing we would do is want to slip the date. Maybe the most flexible was, say, the scope. So we could add a feature or subtract a feature. We could make a feature smaller. That was the first place we would go if we ran into some kind of an issue or problem. And then resources were in the middle. If we couldn't solve the problem looking at scope, then we would look at the second most flexible piece, the resources. Only if we couldn't solve the problem any other way would we take a look at the date. So I challenge you to find something in your life, either your work or in your personal life, where you can think about this flexibility matrix of what's most and least flexible and see if that does give you some clarity in how you think about making choices and decisions when problems arise. Add a comment below. Tell us how this works for you. We look forward to talking to you next time. Thanks.